Do you know that few companies pass the regulatory inspection with no observation and few companies get the warning letter? There is the difference. There is the difference in the preparation and mindset of the people. I remember the days when I was doing job and our CEO and founder used to tell us that there should be no data integrity. It was his strict instructions and standing instructions that there should not be data integrity and there should not be any act should be there, so it will cause the quality of the product. You tell me that if the founder himself or herself will give this message, this strong message to the people, then who can stop that organization to pass the regulatory inspection with no observation? Yeah, so let's discuss 5 secrets or 5 points which ensure that any company can qualify the regulatory inspection with no observation. Yes, I have case studies and I am sharing this with you based on my experience. First is quality culture. Yeah, I have discussed in my previous sessions also about the quality culture. The quality culture gives life to these strategies. If there is problem in the culture of your organization, then your strategies are not going to work. Okay, like I have shared with you example of my CEO that he clearly told everyone on our manufacturing site that there should not be any data integrity. So when the message comes directly from top to bottom, then it builds the quality culture of the organization. So it also depends that mindset of people who are working on the site, means employees, and it also depends on the mindset of the management and middle management also. So all these factors play a very significant role for the result of any inspection. Okay, so another point is that keep your documentation online. You know, if it is not documented and then it is not done. If you will not do the documentation of any task, then it is considered equally as it is not performed. Okay, and while documenting the things, and in documentation you will have to follow the ALCOA++ principle. And if you want to know ALCOA++ principle, then go and watch my video. I have made another video on ALCOA++ principle also. Okay, so go and see my previous sessions. Okay, now another point is that perform the mock audits. Yeah, internal audits are the secret sauce of qualifying the regulatory inspection with no observation. Don't wait that when regulatory inspector will come and he or she will give you the observation, then you will take action on that. Okay, so keep auditing your facility regularly and keep closing the gaps, and it will really help you in your organization to remove the non-compliance. And in fact, there is no need to prepare for an audit. Yeah, okay, if every day you will do your work, then preparation is not required. Yeah, okay, and you train the people work to win instead of the survival. Okay, don't work to not fail in the audit, you work to win in the audit, so that your success will be predictable. Because whenever these two thought processes come, so results are also different. One strategy is working with the fear and another strategy is working with the confidence, and it changes the result of the behavior. Okay, so this was another tip. Okay, another thing is that strengthen your CAPA system. Yeah, this is multiple times I'm sharing with you again and again that the CAPA must be effective, and CAPA to be effective, what should be there? Your investigation must be done properly, and to investigate properly you will have to study in depth any deviation, OS or any problem on your manufacturing side. Let me share with you that these are not only the just tips, but these things build the culture on your organization and ensure the long-term and sustainable success and growth for your organization. Okay, so are you ready to work to win instead of survival? Then do not forget to follow me and subscribe me on my YouTube channel and different social media platform. You are average of 5 people you work with. Make me one person out of them, and you will see the magic in your thought process whenever you will take the decision on your manufacturing site. Okay, so these were today's learning. With this, Dr. Rupali Paranspe signing out until we meet again. Bye. Thank you. And yes, today is day 32 of 90 days challenge of learning with Blue Ocean Compliance. And do not forget to apply all these learnings on your manufacturing site, and I am sure that you are going to get the magical result. Okay, thank you. Bye.